Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pumpkin pie in Avatar World. First, navigate to your character's home and find the kitchen. This is where all the culinary magic happens. Next, open your inventory to ensure you have all the necessary ingredients. You'll need a fresh pumpkin, some sugar, and a few eggs. Don't worry if you're missing anything. You can usually find them in the in-game shop or by exploring. Once in the kitchen, interact with the counter to begin. Place your pumpkin on the cutting board and slice it into pieces. Then, add the pumpkin pieces, sugar, and eggs into the mixing bowl. Stir everything together thoroughly until it forms a smooth, orange mixture. This step is crucial for achieving the perfect pie consistency. Make sure you have all your tools ready, like the rolling pin for the crust. Now it's time to prepare the pie crust. Take your dough and use the rolling pin to flatten it into a circular shape. Carefully place the rolled-out crust into a pie dish. Next, pour your perfectly mixed pumpkin filling into the crust. Ensure it's evenly distributed. Finally, place the pie dish into the oven. Set the timer and wait for your delicious creation to bake to a golden brown. Once your pumpkin pie is baked to perfection, carefully remove it from the oven. Let it cool for a moment before slicing. You can then serve individual pieces to your Avatar World friends or enjoy it all yourself. It's a fantastic treat for any occasion. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy baking!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.